Hi friends, I'm back and today I'm going to show you my top tips, tricks, and hacks for interior design. And I'm going to start none other than this amazing, look at this lantern. It's a hanging chandelier. It's from IKEA. It is like $66. You hang it, it's a pendant. Now it is this natural woven basket weave, but guess what? You could paint it black. You could paint it white. Like, it's amazing. And it actually folds up real, folds into itself. It's called the center leg. And it's absolutely amazing. Okay, this is the box that came in. Love it. And anything woven is having a big moment right now. So if it's woven, be sure and get it. Okay, so moving on. Orchids. I can never get enough orchids. I can never decorate with enough orchids. I can't give enough away. They make a great hostess gift. I have one here that I got for a white one that I got for my birthday. Just water it once a week. They're easy. After they bloom, trim them. I learned that. Trim them down. And so decorate with orchids. It's like a no-brainer. They're $15. You can get them at Trader Joe's. You can get them at Costco. You can get them at Lowe's. So I can't say it enough. Get an orchid or give an orchid. All right. Number 3, mirrors. Okay, this mirror, you're gonna die. You are gonna thank me. I got this mirror. Ta-da! 30-inch mirror with the woven detail. It was, let's see, $16.99 from TJ Maxx, which is now open, I found out. Hello. The lady in there was like, oh yeah, I already bought 4. Like, run, don't walk, because they're gonna be gone and they're adorable, and you can just put them in any room in your house. You can put them in a powder room. Again, the woven is having a big moment right now, so you're welcome. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, because I've got so many good ideas to share with you. Okay, then, moving on. Okay, books. Okay, the #1 of all time book to decorate with for a coffee table book, of course, is Tom Ford. It's expensive, but in the scheme of things, he's a genius. He's a genius on so many levels. I love his makeup. I love his clothes. I love his sunglasses. He's like, but anyways, the book, it's a coffee table book, so put it on your coffee table, and very chic, very cool. So, and also, if you have other books that you want to put on your coffee table, please take the covers off of them and have the nice bound, whether it's white, black, and put them in groups. So take all the covers off of them and stack them in groups of black or blues or whites. All should kind of be the same color in their stacking. So hot tip right there. Okay, then moving on. Throws. Okay, this cozy throw right here, I put it on the end of my bed, and it's so soft and cuddly. Throw one on your couch, throw one on your bed. I got this at Bed Bath & Beyond. I think it was $19.99. Like, hello, decorate with throws. Throw it on a chair. You know, I love throws, so get a throw. Of course, the Hermes throw is #1 in all the designers' books, but if you can't afford the Hermes, go to Bed Bath, or not Bed Bath & Beyond. It might have been, well, Bed Bath & Beyond has them, but Home Goods. Home Goods has them too. So they just have them on a rack, one after the other. All these fluffy, gorgeous, you can get gray, white. I like the white, it kind of goes with everything. So, okay, a good throw. Then, moving right along with the throws are the pillows. And I love these fluffy pillows, anything fuzzy. Again, I got this one at Pottery Barn. Love life. And if you watch 73 Questions with Cindy Crawford, she has the same pillow. So go watch that. I'll link that video down below. Or like a nice down, like, of course you have to smash the pillow. You know, and Gray's having a big moment right now. Love this. This is down, so it's squishy. And if you haven't seen Gail's video on keeping the house clean before guests arrive, I'll link that below too. So anyways, yeah, got to karate chop the pillows, right? Okay, moving on. Candles and diffusers. Now, I love these Voluspa candles. This one is the gardenia. I got it at Rogers Garden. If you have never been to Rogers Garden in Newport Beach, do yourself a favor. It's my favorite store. Anyways, I got that there. So, you know, I always I talk about candles all the time. So love candles, decorate with candles, give candles away as hostess gifts. I mean, between candles and orchids and wine, I mean, you can never go wrong. So moving on. Okay, soap and lotion. Oh, well, on the line of candles, also diffusers. My favorite is Nest. Love Nest diffusers, but any diffusers. Costco even has diffusers. They smell great. Put one in your powder room. So Nest diffuser. Okay, moving on. Okay, soap and lotion. So, of course, my favorite soap and lotion is always going to be the Jo Malone, and I like the Orange Blossom. So you put one lotion and one soap into your powder room. They look beautiful, they smell beautiful, and when people come out of your powder room, your powder room and your people are gonna smell beautiful. So this is the Orange Blossom, and they make the candle too. So number one pick right here would be Jo Malone. But my number two pick on a budget, this brand is called Scottish Fine Soaps. And you can get it at Home Goods. This, actually, I got this at Marshall's. They all are owned by the same companies. And they have the hand soap and the lotion. And they're white. I love how they're white. White's having a big moment. I'll talk about that later. But they're just good. They're quality. And they're on a budget. Like, hello, how great is that? So definitely put that in your powder room. Okay. Now, moving on. Plants. Okay, decorate with plants. It's such a big thing right now. So I love this rubber tree plant. This is the rubber tree, and I'm gonna bring it over here. Hold on, I'll drop it. This thing, I have had, someone gave this to my birthday, I think my friend Jennifer. This thing is so durable. I water it once a week. It looks great. It's always got a new growth on it. Look at this. It's got one new growth here and one here, straight up here. Put it, again, in a white container, because white, again, is having a big moment. Rubber tree plant, fiddle leaf fig. Those two are no-brainers. I have one in the other room. The fiddle tree is like literally 9 feet tall, so I couldn't put it in this video. But buy a fiddle leaf fig, buy a rubber tree, give them as gifts, decorate with them. There's all kinds. And look, if you decide to decorate with plants, make sure you look and make sure they're not poisonous. It's a big deal. Make sure they're good for animals, small children. It's very, very important if you have live plants that they are safe. So be safe. Okay, next we are gonna go with flowers. Okay, decorate with flowers. I don't have actually a bouquet of flowers for this video, but guess what? Hot tip, this is a life hack. So when you have parties, when you are emptying out your liquor bottles, do not throw them away. Look at this Patron Silver liquor bottle, right? Just take the cap off, put the water in there, put fresh flowers in there, and yeah, I'm having a birthday party for my sister-in-law on Tuesday. You betcha. What's going to be on the table? This, like 3 of these with fresh flowers in them. Fresh flowers, you can get like a bouquet for $12 or $15 at Ralph's. Decorate with these. Hello. This literally cost you nothing except for a bunch of margaritas, which, how good was that? Anyways, so hang on to your bottles. There's lots of bottles that are beautiful. There's a bottle of rosé. I can't think of the name right now, but it's the most beautiful shape. So I keep that, put a candle in it, put flowers in it. Anyways, that's a life hack right there. Okay, then a bar cart. Voila. This is a gold bar cart. I got this at Home Goods. It was about $99. These things are great. You can decorate. You can actually make it a bar cart and put your liquor on it, you know, and glasses, and you're fine, you know, put that in the corner of your living room if you don't have a bar. But you can use it as a nightstand. You can use it in your kitchen. I just use it on the side of my house. I actually put my orchids, my live orchids. This is what I use. I put it by a window. They say put the orchid plant next to a window because orchids like the change in temperature at night. So get a bar cart and an orchid and put it in a window. So bar carts, they're always in fashion, and there's a million different ways you can use it. So go get yourself a bar cart. Okay, then let's see, moving on. Marble. Okay, marble is having a moment right now. Of course, I think if you've seen my makeup videos, you know that I use this little marble canister for all my makeup brushes. And if you haven't seen my how to clean your makeup brushes, please go watch that video too. But this, how great is that? Instead of a wonky little plastic one, like I have a marble one. So anything marble, oh, like there's so many things in the kitchen. Like you can put your salt and pepper in this. You can put your garlic on this, leave it on the counter. It's so much prettier than just, you know, putting it in a drawer or putting it in some plastic container. So decorate with marble. Hot tip. And then of course, marble coasters. These are great because these have this cool little wood. Again, wood is having a moment. Natural materials, wood and marble. And how great are these? Little marble coasters. Yes, please, 100%. So decorate with marble. Anything you can get your hands on. And they make great gifts. Again, that would make a great hostess gift. Go bring someone a coaster set, a marble coaster set. How great is that? So lots of hostess gift ideas in here too. So, okay, moving on. Mercury Glass. So Mercury Glass has been around forever. I like to, these I think I got at Pottery Barn, but you can get them anywhere. They're everywhere. They have come in 3 different designs, and everything you group, now this is a hot tip, everything needs to be grouped in odd numbers. So you can have 3, you can have 5, you can have 7, can never have 2, and you can never have 4. Okay, like when you're grouping things, pictures, try to group everything in odd numbers. Okay, so yeah, Mercury Glass. This is another one. And then the back here, this is gold Mercury Glass. That's actually Rachel's though candles back there. And then also I have this one. Now this candle set, you know, again, you know, Home Goods, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, they have these, and at Christmas time they look so pretty all grouped together, the Mercury Glass candlesticks. So definitely look into Mercury Glass for decorating. Okay, then picture frames. Okay, picture frames. So I have these picture frames, and I got them at Aaron Brothers, and I grouped them together. But look how great these are. Now look at this. This was actually my brother's engagement announcement, and I framed it in that. How cute is that? With their little dog Milo. How cute. Shout out to them. By the way, their wedding got canceled because of Corona. But my advice to them, go march yourself right down to the county courthouse, Santa Barbara courthouse, and go get married at the courthouse. That's the most beautiful building in the state of California. So I'm going to send them this video so that they will go do that, because I want to drive up to Santa Barbara to their wedding at the courthouse. Anyways, these are my besties. Again, so you group them together, but what I'm trying to tell you is when you're grouping frames together, group all the same colors together, the same way you're doing your books. So all your silver, if you're going to go with a color, stick with the same color. If you're going to go with black, make sure they're all black. If you're going to go with white frames, make sure they're all white. Like, make sure you're grouping the same colors together, or it's going to look wonky and it's not going to look good. So take my advice on that. Okay, moving on. Banana leaf. Okay, if you don't know, this is a banana leaf, and all I did, okay, honestly, I probably got this vase when my husband sent me flowers. Shout out to my husband. I love him so much. Thank you for the flowers. He always gets me flowers for my birthday. And so I have like a lot of these, you know, in storage. I bought these 2 banana leaves at Michael's. They were like, I don't even know, $8, $7 each. Plopped them in this glass vase, and boom, you have instant interior design. Like, hello. And banana leaves are really, this is the banana leaf. Okay, and can I tell you, if you haven't seen 73 Questions with Lenny Kravitz, he had a photographer put pictures of leaves, projected them onto the walls of his house in Brazil. He has a ranch in Brazil, and they painted them black on a white wall. I can't. Like that, like, I'm gonna link that video below. You have to watch this video. It's like, it was so artistic. It was so brilliant. Anyways, Lenny Kravitz is into interior design. If you can get your hands on any of his wallpapers or anything from his line, Lenny Kravitz, I highly recommend it. Shout out to Lenny Kravitz. Okay, and then finally, last but not least, white. So white is having a huge moment right now. If you can get your hands on anything white, if you can see in the background, I've got these white pillar candlesticks. Love those so much. And, you know, like, or this, how about this? Little coral, this brings in the natural, anything natural right now, shells, baskets, wood, marble, anything natural is just really having a moment right now. But look at that coral. How cool is that on this lacquer stand? And I still have the price tag on it. This came from Home Goods, originally $30, and I got it for $16.99. And this would be great in a powder room, in a guest room. If you have a nautical theme room, absolutely put this on a shelf. There's a million things you can do with it. And who doesn't love coral? It reminds me of the beach. I live in the desert, so like I like to be reminded of the beach every once in a while. So white, anything that's white, white is having a big, big moment right now. Decorate with white. And if you have any questions or things that you want me to do videos on, put it down below. I love you guys. I think hope everyone is staying positive, and I know everyone's been dealing with anxiety and worry and stress during this crazy time, and just stay positive, love God, love others, love yourself, and take care of yourself, and then you can take care of others. Anyways, I love you all, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye.